Alrighty, bud. This is your little 4-pill base box. You know why I got it covered up. I'm not going to get into all that drama stuff. Straight through the SWR, 0, 0, 0. And turn it back on. Alright, I took the switch off. It's got a... Look at this mess, man. I had a fun. I had to put new rectifiers in the power supply. Look at this silly preamp thing. That was messing it all up straight through. Took it out. Had to change the main relay. It was a mess. It was a good job. But we got you all fixed up, buddy. Here it is, the variable wide open. Input tunes. Worldwide, almost nothing. 1,000 watt slug, average power. Start out. Worldwide. Almost 200 average. You remember 4Pill-1446s. 1,000 watt PP. Worldwide, get all down. Worldwide. Hello. 580. On the LP, worldwide, get on down, worldwide, get on down. Look at the tune, it's really good. Audio, hello, 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. Audio, hello. But she's all in ready to go, bud. Like I said, it was a mess. But it should be good to go now, man. I mean, as far as I can tell, everything's good to go. Alright, bud. Appreciate you. Catch you later. Your friend 10, 0 and 8 Beavers. Bye-bye.